everybody, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? What is going on? What's new in life? I haven't posted in like a week because I started work again. So if you want to know how I got this look, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Check out my last video. And let's get right into it. We're going to take our Free4 palette. We're going to go in with this beautiful blue. And basically all we're going to do is go ahead and pat this on our eyelids. Now we're going to take this darker blue and we're going to go ahead and blend that in with the crease and near the eyebrow bone. Now we're going to take this white, we're going to put it in the corner of our eyes because everybody knows I always love the white in the corner of my eyes. It's just something that's me, something that I've always done, and you know, everybody has something that's just you, and white in the corner of my eyes are me, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and take my LA Colors, and it's like a sparkling white, and I'm going to add that to the corners just to enhance the corners of my eyes and give it a more of a glitter sparkle look. Now I'm going to take my AOA Studios, and it's a highlighter, and I'm just going to highlight underneath my eyebrows to give my eyebrows a highlighted pop. Now I'm just taking some lash glue and I'm adding that in the crease of my eyes, and we're going to add some glitter to that because I love glitter. You know, I got to stand out when I walk in the door. Who's the first person you're going to see? Me, girl. Bow, look at that. Look at that glitter. It just looks so good. I mean, it's not perfect, but at the end of the day, I'm still standing out. Pow, both of them done. I look crazy as heck, but we're gonna put some lashes on. These are for ALICROWN lashes, so let's get these on. I got these from Amazon. Now we're going to go ahead and get our highlighter, and I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter. It just makes me stand out. We're going to go ahead and add that to our cheekbones. We're going to add that on our nose, and we're going to add it above our lip. Just, you know, give us a little shine, you know, a little stand out, because, you know, I like to stand out. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Midnight Blue lipstick, and I got this off of Amazon. I will leave it in the description box below. It was only $5. We're just going to rub it in, clean up around our areas of our lips, and I see I have blue underneath my nose, so I'm going to go ahead and fix that. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my Mint lip gloss, and you can get this at any local beauty supply store. Apply that on our lips so our lips can have a little more pop. Okay, so I'm really feeling myself, so let me get this hair done real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you like it. It's so gothy, like gothy. But make sure you check out my last video. I'm gonna leave it up in the subscription box below or the suggestion box above. So yeah, have a wonderful day, and I want to say thank you for all you guys who've been supporting me and liking my videos and commenting.
When I'm on that yak, my back get a deep arch. Like that, yeah.